Still you spoke, and the dead were led through the dust, through the flame. Every road was marked by your name. You said follow, don't look behind. Cut the cord, leave it all to die. No safe ground, no retreat, just a cross and bleeding feet. Hear the call, it's crashing down like thunder, shaking the ground. I'm unashamed, I will not deny your name. Unashamed, I will carry all the shame. If I burn, if I break, if I'm torn in the flame, I'll still stand and say I'm unashamed. Let the dead bury their own past. I've been called and I won't look back. No excuse, no delay. I was made for a narrow way. You set your face toward the cross, counted every gain as loss. If they hated you, I know that same fire's where I'll go. Feel the rise, the tension grow. This is the line, this is the road. But I'm unashamed, I will not deny your name. Unashamed, I will carry all the shame. If I burn, if I break, if I'm torn in the flame, I'll still stand and say I'm unashamed. What does it profit if I gain the world